Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag cathysowinghappiness, in which we'll have our drawing at the end of the video. But first, let's have our shout out to Haku Barbie, Nancy, Folk Art Gal, Laura, Ethel, Beth, and Angela. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today we're going to make stamp clusters for our junk journals. And what I've done here is I've already begun. And I have lots of different rectangles here. They're in a card stock. They're firm. And I have different sizes and different patterns and rectangles. So let's go ahead and let's get us a rectangle here. Let us cut one out. And I will show you what I've done. So I've cut my rectangle. I think I want this one just a little smaller. And then I've taken my Fiskars mini pinking shears, and I have gone ahead and I've cut with them all four sides of my rectangle, because we're going to make faux stamps. Faux stamp clusters, okay. And then I'm going to ink around the edge with my vintage photo. So now it looks like this. All right, so now let's go ahead and build us a cluster. Let's start with a larger bottom, a base, and let's bring in some page like this. So why I build this cluster, I'm going to talk to you about what is hashtag cathysowinghappiness. It is hashtag cathysowinghappiness is you helping me spread happiness by doing small acts of kindness. It's extremely easy to do, and it doesn't have to cost you any money. You can let someone in line at the grocery store. You have 15 items and they have one. You can let someone in line at a traffic, in traffic, you know, when no one's letting anybody in line, and you can let someone in line. We have no idea what people are going through, and you can change someone's outlook during the day by just a small act of kindness. So what do you get if you do that? You get happy mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. But you need to put the comments of what your act of kindness was in the video, in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I will lose it. And we don't want to lose it because that's your entry into the drawing. So check back next Sunday if you decide to enter and see if you've won happy mail from me to you. Now I'm taking my little postage mark circle that they have at the post office, and I am going to just stamp here and there on here. I might even do maybe one more. Okay. Then I'm going to change this out for the lines, and I'm going to put my line, whoops, just fell off. I'm going to put my lines on it. Like that, maybe a little bit more. There we go. Now I'm going to let you see what this looks like. Isn't this adorable? Now you can put this on a page. You can actually make something with them. Like I made a little tag right here, and I use it as a tuck spot. Oh my goodness, you can do so many things with these little clusters. I absolutely love them. All right, you guys, let's have our drawing. So let's bring in the fishbowl, and hopefully if you told me an act of kindness in the comment section of the video last week, you're checking in to see if you've won happy mail from me to you this week. So who's won happy mail? Oh, it's Vicki McGlynn. Vicki, You have one happy mail from me to you. You guys, I have absolutely enjoyed being with you. If you've enjoyed it too, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now. Whoops.